There's God, there's cars. Yeah, smiling. Get your ass over here. God! God! Freaking stupid dog is getting run over. God! Okay, so they're going too ahead. I don't want to run there. God! Come here. Come here. God, no! No, not on the knee. Stop. Your piss doesn't show. I'm dying. No, like for real, you're about to get run over. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Good, Caroline. Good. There's a good cod. There's a good cod. There's a good cod. Let me scratch your tummy. Oh, fuck. Okay, you're humping. My leg doesn't show. Come on. 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 Son of a bitch. Come here. Ah, fuck! You fucking bit my leg! Oh! Bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog. Motherfucker, can you not piss on me? Oh no! No!
I already waved at that one.
God.
She smiled at me.
God, my leg genuinely hurts from when you bit it.
Oh, well.
I'm fucking die.